Welcome, today in front of me POCO X4 GT, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I set up my face recognition here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how far the switcher is and does it works. So let's just start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We just can unlock the device less than in just in half of a second. So I just say that this is the really good result for the face unlock method. So I just suggest you to try this just unlock method. But I want to try one more thing, because I set up my face recognition with the glasses, and now I'll try to unlock the device without them. So let's see, and we can see that just no changes. We can also unlock the device just I think more fastly. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes or patterns. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.